Freedom Shower's wall-mounted seat installation. Before you begin, ensure there is a minimum 2-inch thick solid wood in-wall backing, unless you're installing the seat in a Freedom Shower that already has a full wood backing. Additionally, you can use the shower seat mounting flange template as necessary. Okay, first, protect the work area. You'll need screw fastening hardware, a level, silicone, power drill, and a tape measure. Position, level, and mark the desired seat location. Remember to double check your work to ensure accurate placement of the seat. Drill out all the marked holes, clean the area, then inject silicone into all the holes. Hand tighten the flanges to the shower wall, holding the seat in place. You can use the power drill to snug up all the screws. Don't over-tighten at this point. Hand tighten all the screws to ensure a safe and secure fit. Fit the lower support bracket in place. Then position and mark the install location. Drill and silicone the final holes. Use the electric drill to snug the screws closer. And hand tighten to completely secure the bracket. Now, you're ready to take a seat in your Freedom Shower.